whoever's singing sounds exactly like a duck.
One.
Oh, don't attack me. Do not think about it.
She wants breakfast.
He wants a breakfast snack.
Yeah.
Oh.
He's gotten in a scrap on the right side of his face is all
He's showing us.
feathers are off it. And
He's showing us. Oh, oh, no.
Oh.
Are you okay? You want band-aid?
Maybe he got hit by something, or she got hit by something.
They? Oh my God.
It got.
Oh, kawawa naman, no?
I know. Are you good?
Wow.
Do you want a snack?
If Kyokyo
Don't.
is here.
Oh, oh no! Don't scratch it.
Don't scratch. It's gonna leave a scar.
I know. I think it's healing already. Yeah, it's healing already. She's like purr.
Yeah.
Nope.
Hurry mo.
You know what it'll like? French fries.
Ingat, tumayo ka, Pao. Hindi pa. Masyado mababaw. Tumutusok yung...
Oh, ma'am, pasok ka na. Sa gitna ka.
Sit down first.
Oh, bye-bye. Bye-bye, ma'am. Kumayan, hindi mo lumabas.
Carla, if you're at the front, you gotta go.
Gotta take a... Ma'am, kita ka tataob.
Kita, give me one ano.
The green one. Akin yan, green.
Green grass.
Ang hirap naman ito nagkaalis sa mukha mo.
Ako na, I'll push it. Get inside.
Mama, black sheep. Okay, let's go.
Ice cream.
Okay, game na po. Hi vlog! Welcome to the lookout.
Lalagay...
This
Look
lookout
Look out for
overlooks
people who take
the
too many
lookout.
pictures.
Abishnik land.
Anish,
Kabi na. Painit tayo ng tubig para sa tsaa. Tea.
Oh, it's George.
I actually like the feeling of my legs being cold, because if my legs are cold, then you don't feel the pain.
That's true.
That sounds really dark.
That's so true though.
But it's true.
Yeah.
It's like icing your legs.
Yeah. It's like
Oh my gosh, that looks like a dog.
I know. My
It looks
mom.
like a dog jumping.
Mom, what do you think? Dog daw.
Yeah.
Like a tail, two legs.
My
Yeah.
mom's been doing a narrative the entire time. Earlier we
Yo,
saw a
it's so
It
chipmunk.
looks like a dog.
The sky is so clear.
No, it looks like a dog. Maybe it's someone from the.
Easy!
Parang probinsya lang. Hulaan nyo kung anong gagawin namin. Dahon ng saging.
Huh? The only thing that napag ako is my face, my forehead was cold. Cold. Ako sabi ko, ba't lumalamig? Para tuloy ako yung aso.
Hindi na ba kayo kagabi?
Hindi. Sinusuksok ko yung ulo ko sa loob ng... sa ulo mo.
Nandun pa lang tayo sa St. Antoine noon.
I'm just fragile.
Wow.
Shut up! Ngayon nandito na tayo. Wait lang, nagbibihis ka?
No.
Ay. Pupunta na lang tayo sa park? Should I change?
Huh?
Should I remove it? So,
How long is the hike?
5 kilometers.
Saan? Ay, nandito pa tayo.
And there's the cook. Cook.